Okay, I'm recording now. Fuck it. Okay, let's go.
I got it. I'm all over it.
Okay, so we're going down some single track again with the tour guide this time.
Oh yeah. And he's a lot better than us. It's quite embarrassing actually.
Jack's brother-in-law, so it's alright. Like, yeah.
Oh, I found a road. Yeah, I did. Oh, that back brake. I made it to the bottom and I didn't die.
I'm not there yet.
This bit, and then my back brake was just like, I'm not going to do anything.
Oh cool, we're here.
We're here.
I don't know where here is, but we're here.
Keep out of the way of that.
Also, I didn't even, got to point out, like I had nowhere to put my layers. So I've just got like a water bottle and a jumper strapped underneath my tank bag. Thanks, Giant Luke.
Goodness. We're already at the goodness stage. We're not even swearing at this point.
Just, oh my...
How many single tracks we've already done?
Yeah, we warmed up a bit, so got a little bit of wind up our ass. Oh fuck, I nearly tucked the front just then.
Look ahead, look ahead.
I was, and that's when I nearly tucked the front.
I'm telling myself, I'm not talking to you.
Okay, fair enough. I love drum brakes.
Actually, the track we came up on and turned right. Oh yeah. I was going to go back down and then we'll head out the other way. Right here. The track we came up on.
Fucking terrifying. Going up was alright because you just let it eat the whole way. Yeah, see? That's what I said.
Where's front brake? Where's front brake?
Oh man. Oh, I just like smashed my foot between my rock and a...
Okay, I'm good. Oh, I'm almost at the bottom. Oh, the arm pump. Oh, ah!
I don't get arm pump, I get quad pump.
I'm getting quad pump and arm pump. Oh, I made it. Oh my goodness, that was a bit scary, not gonna lie.
I know. I remembered it and I was like, oh no, I don't really want to.
Oh dear, I've gone the wrong way. Wheelie! Oh, don't do that, don't do that. Don't wheelie off that ledge.
Why not?
It's scary. I'm just concentrating a lot.
I don't even know where you guys went.
Yeah, we're here. We are. This means just fucking practice and pivot turns out here. We're at the end of the trail.
Oh shit. Oh, I see you over there. I'm here. Going down is a lot worse than going up. A bit of uphill. Did he?
It's going up and around. Nope. Come back down, try again.
Fucking traffic. I just did a U and just found neutral. Oh, Jesus. I just went around that one.
Yeah, that's right. It's too late by the time I've seen it. Oh, resty bit.
Oh. Oh. Just, yeah, first gear potter along. Yeah. Catch your breath. And back into it. Fuck that. I can see.
Oh no.
What?
I'm good.
Oh wow.
Oh, this is hard, bro. Oh yeah. Around here. Fuck. Oh. Let's take a moment. good, I got up it. Yeah, I guess I got a route. Oh, thanks. For once, fucking right. Although I am happy, I popped it over the fucking thing and just like, a little bit uphill, a little bit downhill. This trail's got it all, mate. Ag bikes, dual sports, enduro bikes. Got it all, mate. It's got it all.
Yeah. The old farm bike, she fucking works a treat.
Good job, mate. You can't complain.
Nah, it's fucking sick. Oh, more muddy ruts.
True. Fucking glad I pulled the clutch in there. Whiskey throttle right into a tree. Right into a tree.
Whoa! Watch out, there's a massive fucking rut here. There's like a left-hand turn and a massive muddy rut.
Oh yeah, that's right. Muddy road.
That's what I meant. Left from my perspective.
Left and right.
Like I know them, but I just don't know them.
Just not under pressure.
Yeah, literally.
Oh, don't slip in. Oh, I'm going to slip in. There we go. Yep. That was such an anticlimactic slip into a muddy rut.
Oh, hello.
I've got one. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Parallel line.
Oh yeah. Alright. An easy spot to get up to it, he says.
Here. Your turn.
Wasn't that bad? But now I'm stuck.
Oh my god, Jack.
Got it. Fucking nail it.
I'm fucking scared.
You got a big fella.
Oh.
Easy, mate. What are you doing?
Now I'm stuck. Easy. Jesus.
Man, what the fuck? Oh, right.
Oh, this deforestation's killing the environment. Oh, hell, a fucking Ford got stuck there. Jesus. Oh my god. Jeez.
Another main track like this.
Yeah.
Smooth it all out so that the rest of the machines can get up here.
After you, big fella. Get some footage of the mighty XT. Oh, hang on, I've turned you down now. Come here. There we go. Yoo! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Hey! Oh no, I've gone through the mud. I've made a mistake. He was like, yeah, it's real fun and easy. Fuck, no! Oh no! no! That's alright, I got you, I think. Maybe not, actually. Oh! Ugh. Ugh. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, Ash was like, oh, this is like easy and fun, and we're like, oh, fucking. Oh, fucking goodness. It is fun, yeah. Oh, this bit's alright. Oh, oh. Fuck. It's riding in trucks, fucking ruts.
Ruts get the respectable women.
Oh, what a view. Oh, you go now. Oh fuck, I stalled it.
Oh no.
I'm not good at that. Whoa. Oh, yeah, same. Oh, the quad pump is real.
Oh, what a day.
That was fucked. It was fun.
It was fun, yeah.
But we are not very good at enduro.
No, but we are better than what we were this morning.
And we're better than we thought, honestly.
Yeah,
We were like,
a lot of stuff I didn't think I could get up.
there was a lot of, I don't know, and then we did it.
We did it. We should be proud.
So now that I'm getting wind flow, I'm getting cold. Whew, I zip my jacket up.
Put my jacket back on. Fucking hell.
Oh, but yeah, that was fun. Yeah, we didn't die, which is nice. I think we actually went up through there.
Yeah.
The XT350 proved it's better and also equally worse at the same time.
Yeah. That's good.
What a weapon. So yeah, right, well, yeah, just do all the things, follow us on the things. Okay, goodbye.